fishing out in the Everglades today. It's extremely windy. There's supposed to be about 15 to 20 mile per hour sustained winds today. There was also a small craft advisory. So, I mean, you said something? But we're gonna stay in some small canals in the Everglades and we're just gonna fish and see if we can catch something. That's my little punching rig, even though I think the weight should be heavier. There's a guy on YouTube, his name is Mikey Balls, and he is like the punching master. And I try to copy what he does when he catches bass, because he catches the biggest bass I have ever seen. Oh, huge bite, right there, right where I came out of. Man, oh, it took off my tail. Took off my tail. I'll throw another one on. We launched at Holiday Park today, which is a huge tourist attraction here in the Everglades. It's where they film Gator Boys. That's on Animal Planet. It's always just loaded with tourists. So when we launch and you come out to the Everglades where it's really quiet, it's kind of relieving to get away from so many people. I'm gonna troll a little bit faster because I'm gonna do this. I want to troll. There we go. Oh, you saw it? You saw what just took it? I didn't know what it was, but it looked small. Oh, you feel the cold air coming in? There's definitely a rain cloud coming this way. Hey, put your stuff away. Let's go in. I think it's just gonna start. Yeah, 1 second. We're gonna go in a little bit, see if it's not raining over there. Because I don't want it to just start pouring on us out here.